Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the group name on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC, especially with the latest update. It's a simple process that helps you keep your group chats organized and easy to find. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages and groups. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and find the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane or a chat bubble. Click on that to open your direct messages. Next, scroll through your conversations and open the group chat where you want to change the name. This could be any group you're part of, whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues. Once the group chat is open, look at the top of the screen where the current group name is displayed. Click on the group name. This will open the group settings, where you can manage different options for the chat. Among these options, you'll see Change Name. Click on that to start editing the group name. Now, type in the new name you want for your group. Make sure it's something clear and easy for everyone in the group to recognize. After typing the new name, confirm the change by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Save or Confirm. And that's it. Your group chat now has a fresh new name that everyone in the group will see. Changing the group name on Instagram's PC app is quick and helps keep your conversations organized, especially if you're part of multiple groups. Remember, this feature is part of Instagram's recent updates to make messaging more user-friendly across all devices. So, if you haven't updated your app recently, make sure to do that to access this and other handy features. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to change a group name on Instagram using your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your social media experience.